Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me introduce the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is a 256 GB 91%, and this is a China version, and the cycle count is 380. Now you can see this is very good condition. You can see the camera, no scratches, and here the button, no problem, no scratches. The charging port, let me show you the charging port. You can see the charging port, no scratches, only slightly usage. You can see no scratches. Okay, no problem. You can see the screen, the screen, no scratches. You can see beautiful screen. If you want to buy, you can contact me. You can add my WhatsApp. I can send you the price list. Which model do you want to buy? This is a beautiful, good condition, and there are a lot of different colors and different conditions you can choose. And let me show you this color. And this is iPhone 16 256 GB and 94%, 408. And here's also iPhone 16 128. Now, let me show you this. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max 256 GB. Let me show you. And you can see 100% the battery, 192 256 iPhone 16 Pro. You can see the screen, the beautiful screen. No problem. You can see the charging port. Okay, no scratches. Good condition. Okay. If you like this video, you can. Oh, here's some scratch. Okay. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone and MacBook. Okay. This is also iPhone 16 Pro, 512 GB 100. Okay. See you in the next video.